Hey everyone, today I'm just going to show you how to install the PakRail. Basically it'll work on any PACKOUT box that has the aluminium rails, including these toolboxes. You just got to unscrew these two caps at the top here and they slide out. You can remove them, then you grab your rail here, line it up in there, insert again on the bottom. Line it up, make sure the top part lines up, and then if it feels like it can't go in, it's probably because you either need to pull this forward, you can look from underneath, or have this part flat. Just gonna like that. Now that's flush at the bottom there. Screw this back in. Same thing on the other side. Go from the bottom. Line it up. Just gotta line it up. That flush. If you find that the rail doesn't feel like it fits, just what you want to do is unscrew these just slightly to give the bar a tiny bit of play. This will just add some movement here. Put them on, then tighten these four bolts back up. And then if this, on these toolboxes, I don't bother putting the self-tapping screws, but if you're going to use a larger toolbox or the drawers for instance, you just want to set your height, just move it up and down, and then screw these to the bar. I've got the cork holder that just sits on there. I've got a spray can version as well, and this insert is removable, and then it's just a border, and if you just want it to be a empty shelf. Clip tech mounts, they can just slide on there like that. Clip them on. Got battery mounts as well. This one's just for the M18. Clips on there like that. Just got to screw that in, grab your battery. This is another one of the attachments. Got your PACKOUT feet, stick that on there. You know, you got your box, it's not going anywhere. So got the bottom one, good to go. Roll. Check that off.